Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. The orca is a natural predator of the moose. People who snooze their alarms are more likely to be more alert. The rule is you have to dance a little bit in the morning before you leave the house because it changes the way you walk out in the world. Red fools people's nervous system and make you seem more dangerous. A small glass of orange juice can wake up your baby, making them more active for a clearer ultrasound. White will make you seem innocent. Rare rainbow colored octopuses spotted off the coast of the Philippines. Blue can make people think you are more trustworthy. World's oldest fish was presumed extinct for 60 million years before being rediscovered. Most car alarm fobs won't work less than 24 from the ground. Random goosebumps without cold or emotion may signal nervous system stress. Astronauts are routinely hit by lightning. Sudden change in smell, loss, or enhancement can be tied to brain or hormonal issues. The largest daffodils ever grown was 9 feet tall. The dropsy butterfly is the largest killer of humans in South America. Egg whites firm the skin, reduces excess oil, and minimize pores. Apply a thin layer, let it dry, and rinse after 10 minutes. Gothers routinely eat alligators. Curved nails clubbing may mean low oxygen. Check your lungs or heart. Gabon is named after gibbons but was misspelled on maps and the name stuck. 10-year-old boy guides this blind deer to food and water so he can survive. Vivid dreams every night. You may not be getting deep sleep linked to sleep disorders or stress. Incredible bamboo tower makes 100 liters of pure water daily straight from dew in air and supplies it to villages. Women no longer walk hours for drinking water shared with animals. Pollution. Ashwagandha powder with warm milk helps reduce cortisol levels, alleviates stress, promotes relaxation, and improves sleep quality, making it a perfect nighttime wellness drink. Oliver Tree's record-breaking 20-foot scooter towers overall, built over 2 years and completed in 2020. New stir stick can detect if your drink has been spiked. The largest container ship in the world, the Evergreen Ever Ace, can carry up to 24,000 containers. Did you know that who or whom is the same as he or him? If you're using who in a sentence, mentally substitute he. If you're going to say him, then whom would be the correct pronoun to use. Cast iron coffins with their airtight seals and viewing windows were used in the 19th century for long distance transport or in cases of infectious disease. In the 1st century, a glassmaker from Rome created a type of glass that was unbreakable. Emperor Tiberius, fearing that this innovation would diminish the value of precious metals, ordered his execution. This technology reemerged in 2012 with the introduction of Gorilla Glass. The OG Girl Scout cookie recipe from 1922. Russia's massive Kalyazin RT-64 telescope was built to communicate with Venus and Mars in 1974. The picturesque town of Elbinen in Switzerland is offering approximately 22,000 USD dollars for people to move there. Plus, if you want to bring your family, an additional 10,000 Swiss francs are available for each child. The recent 7.7 magnitude Myanmar earthquake is unique because it appears to be a rare type of rupture known as supershear earthquake, where energy moves exceptionally fast through the ground, amplifying destruction, and it occurred on the Saiging Fault, a major fault line running through the heart of Myanmar. In seismology, a supershear earthquake is when the propagation of the rupture along the fault surface occurs at speed in excess of the seismic shear wave S-wave velocity. This causes an effect analogous to a sonic boom. S-wave. Stop using perfumes near your babies. Think before you spray wearing perfume around your baby. That sweet scent could be hurting your baby. Asthma risk is real. Sensitive skin alert. Tiny lungs, big struggles. Hidden chemical cocktails. Thanks for watching.